This is another project I'm working on for someone else. Pioneer SX-1000TW from the early 70s. Just got done replacing 45 capacitors in the preamp and power amp circuits. Just got to go over the tuners and do a general cleanup and replace the knobs. But this thing has the most amazing tuner on it that I've seen in a while. I'm down here in the basement with a small antenna, and it gets almost every other station on the dial. My God.
I saw the cutest little belly ring.
Never in my life have I seen something pick up so many stations down here in the basement. It's freaking nuts. Double gang tuning capacitors might have something to do with it. Amazingly, the power supply only has 1,000 microfarad filter caps in it, and it is a capacitor coupled output. I think it's about 50 watts per channel. But this one is just about done. Just need a few more parts and a little more cleaning up.